washing machine cleaner is compatible with all washing machines and is also safe for the septic. I like to run these through my washing machine at least once a month. I have also found that if I am washing the dog's bedding or anything that's just really dirty and grimy, I go ahead and wash my machine after that. Now this is a 24 tablet pack, and so when you open it up, you will find that there are individually the 24 packs are going to be in here. All you've got to do is open one of these packets and drop it into the other machine and let your machine wash. Not only is it going to clean the washer itself, it's going to deodorize it and get rid of any of the gunk and grime. This is a 1-year supply right here with 24 tablets. And so I can wash it twice a month and keep right on track with my 1-year supply. I have found that it really does cut down on the grime and the yuck that goes with it. So my laundry stays fresh and it comes out clean each time. So this is definitely something that I keep on hand in the laundry room.